Hi guys. Today we're gonna hopefully do something funny. So you know Malachi. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. His name is Malachi Chance. And we're gonna use one of his cats. What's his name again? Heike or Loki?
That one's Heike.
So we are gonna.
That one's Loki.
Okay.
Or Loki over there, just his face.
Yeah, but we are gonna make him dance to a song. You know. So Malachi, you should play a song.
Alexa. Wait, which one?
Continue song.
Get back, right, yeah.
Hello.
Get back, right, get back, right, yeah. I had to get back, right, get back, right. I had to get back, right. Fell off, lost my cool. Whoa, say, bounce back, got dirt on my shoes. Shut back, right. When you got real
It's the wrong
power,
song, but whatever.
I had to get back, right. Get back, right. Yeah, top down, hair back.
He hates
On Fairfax.
this.
My one, I don't wanna hear trap. I play Rick James when I'm in traffic. I've been doing this since 5th grade.
What do you have to say?
I've been saved. I've been rock crowds on a big stage. I've been made hits with some big names. Yada, 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 yada. Bought a Mercedes for my baby mama. VIP rockin' Dolce Gabbana. I went to the Grammys and I took my mama. Bottles on bottles on bottles and models on models on models and dollars on dollars. Yeah, that don't help me with my soul when I holler and I'm feeling the pain and I'm dealing with drama. Woo! That's too deep. Yeah, that's a better fall back. Nah, get this work. You should've wore a hard hat. They told us don't work in the summer. I told them I'm working on something. I'm waving my banner, no propaganda. Why you flexing in your Panamera? Get back, right. I had to get back, right. Get back, right. I had to get back, right. Get back, right. I had to get back, right. Get back, right. I had to get back, right.
Growl girl.
Lost my cool. Whoa, say. Bounce back. Got dirt on my shoes. Shut back, right. When you got real power, you can't move. Get back right. Get back right.
Okay, Alexa. Stop song. So this is my little buddy Heike. And he likes to dance. So hopefully he doesn't get in a big fight later. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Goodbye.
Also check out my channel. I'm the one who has been his photographer. For
but
a few
helped you
videos.
so many times.
For a
Here,
few
there
videos.
you go.
Okay, well.
Yeah.
Look at his face. Okay, yeah.
Okay, he's growling now.
No animals were harmed in this video.
Yeah, none of them are. I love it.
They're just mad because before this video,
They had a big fight.
yeah,
They got attacked by another cat.
this doe-
That's their buddy.
this one right here was being mean to another cat, so we had to separate him. Yeah.
With the other one, you know. But yeah. So yeah.
Say something funny.
Have a great day.